What's up, guys? Besides this pink colored hair. Anyway, today we have us another Temu haul, which is sponsored by who? Temu. So let's just jump right up into this bad boy. Okay, y'all. First thing first, since I mentioned the hair, I got one of those hair twirler things, sponges. I have not used it yet. You already know I have curly hair, but I was just seeing if this will uniform my curls better, being that it's short, or just whatever. So I have not tested it out yet, but I'll let y'all know if it actually works or not. All right. Second item, let's stay on the hair category. I bought this. It's supposed to be like a turban, but it don't look like no turban. It's just a black thing you can put over your hair instead of a scarf. But it's not a bonnet or whatever. I don't like wearing stuff on my head at night or at any time, to keep it 100 with you. So I thought this would be, like, say if I want to just go outside and my hair ain't all the way together, I thought this would be just something quick and easy. Put on your head, go about your business, come back and take it off. Or, you know, maybe at night, if I had, you know, a style I wanted to somewhat preserve, I was going to test it out because it's not that tight and it might actually work. But yeah, so I like the fit of it for sure. Next item, I got this, what you call them? Those USB lighters that people use for their candles. As you see, I have not taken it out of the package yet. But I wanted something that I could have on hand just in case I don't have any matches. And I always wanted one of these, so I got one. So you just charge it up, y'all. It don't even require batteries. Booyah, USB candle, a lighter. Booyah. Next item, I got this heat transfer paper. Y'all, I have a project that I'm currently want to start working on, and I wanted to try using this paper to see how well it will work with the image I'm trying to transfer on some material. So we'll see how it works, guys. If I would recommend this brand or not. But and it's 10 sheets that comes in this pack. All right, next I got some shredded paper. Once again, it matched my hair. What you talking about? That was not intentional. But anyway, no, it is not even for Easter. Boy, I'm on brand, but I'm not on brand. All of it just a fluke. But anyway, I got this for some packaging that I have in my mind, a project I will share with y'all once it comes together. But that's why I bought this, or got this, I should say. Oh, ain't that cute? Come through, coordinate. Last but not least, and guess what? It coordinate as well too. Y'all, I've been wanting a Valentine's Day heart love sweater, and I finally got one. Y'all, tell me this is not the cutest sweater ever. Look how cute it is. Oh my God, y'all. This is so freaking cute. And the quality, stop playing with me. Y'all, the quality. This sweater is heavy. It's not light at all, guys. And how freaking cute is it, guys? How cute is this sweater, guys? This is so cute. And like I said, look how cute it is with my hair. Come through. Yeah, this is so freaking cute. All right, guys, that's it. That's the whole haul. Thank you guys for joining this video. And if y'all are interested in any of the items I showed in this video, Everything should be linked in the description box. So link it, click it, link it, click it, and buy it. And guess what? It's yours. So anyway, y'all, I'm out this piece. Deuces. Oh yeah, and don't forget my affiliate code somewhere around in this video. For sure, in the description box. Thank you, guys.